Gigs.
Old type roots.
Fuck the metaphors, I spit pain when I rap, fuck a record war. Niggas dying in the hood when we settle scores. Always ride by my clique, are you repping yours? And sometimes I think no one gives a shit about me or the end, so why the fuck do I rep it for? Niggas know I got the guts and the weapons for it. I bet a fucker gets touched when my weapons draw. And you can talk about niggas ain't greasy, but you wasn't talking that shit when we peppered your street. You wanna run shit and let your dogs whip. I was doing this from a Peckham boy, bitch. And this isn't me telling your kids go and get a gun. I'm trying to let them know shit. So I'ma let them know this. Don't push my back again. Stick will be coming back on some back again. Shit. Look, they push my back again. Stick. Roll up and let the Maggie then spin. Don't push my back again. Stick will be coming back on some back again. Shit. Look, they push my back again. Stick. Roll up and let the Maggie then spin.